Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get shaders in Minecraft Mac. Let's get started. First, make sure Minecraft is fully closed before starting. This prevents any install issues. Open the Minecraft launcher first if needed and check with version of Minecraft you use. Download the matching Optifine version. Now, open Safari or Chrome. Then, search for Optifine, then download the correct version for your game. If Optifine does not open, install Java on your Mac first, then try again. Now, open the downloaded Optifine file and install it. If blocked, allow it in System Settings, then Privacy and Security. Go to a trusted site like CourseForge and download a shader pack you like. Choose light, medium, or high depending on your Mac's performance. And after that, launch the Minecraft using the Optifine profile from the launcher. And after that, go to Option, Video Settings, then Shaders. Click Shaders folder and drag your downloaded shader pack into the folder. Go back to Minecraft, then select the shader pack from the list and click Done. If the game feels slow, lower shader settings or choose a lighter shader pack. Now you have shaders running on your Minecraft Mac. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.